Hey folks, this is JC from Car Logic Group, and I've got another outstanding vehicle for you today. This is a 2007 Honda Odyssey. It's an XLT, which means it's got all the options. Leather all the way through the vehicle, sunroof, aluminum alloy wheels. It's even got the power sliding door on both sides. Check this out. It's got heated seats. You've got heat and air in the back. You've got dual climate control in the front. It's got all the options. Hey folks, come on by and check us out here at Car Logic Group. We're right here in Mount Juliet, 12295 Lebanon Road. Or you can hit us up on the web, carlogicgroup.com. Folks, thank you so much for taking a look. We appreciate it. We're looking forward to hearing from you soon. Again, this is JC. Call me, 615-281-9425. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.